Okay, so now I'm gonna add my chicken. And then I'm gonna start seasoning it with my seasonings. Okay, so I put my pepper and browning in. I just added some cumin. And then I'm gonna go in with the mustache. Some of that roasted garlic peppers. Okay. And then some of this meat seasoning. This is kind of like spicy, this meat seasoning. So, I don't know, if you like spicy food, then you'll like that. Then I got my pimento. And some Lawry's. So it should look like this once you stir it all in. Now what I used was browning, pimento, Lawry's seasoning, mustache, this meat seasoning, some of this. This is my first time using it with this, so. And some black pepper and some cumin. Okay, so to this one I'm gonna add is some tomatoes, and then I'm also gonna add some fresh thyme into it. Just stir it all up. Now you don't have to add any oil, like we're not frying it. The tomatoes are gonna boil down and all the juices are gonna come out, and there's gonna be like a liquid in there. So I'm gonna add the thyme, then I'm gonna put the cap on and I'm gonna simmer it. Okay, so I added some onion powder and some garlic powder. The thyme's in there too. And then I'm gonna put the lid on it, stir it, and then I'm gonna get my rice going. Okay, so now it's just the rice. I'm adding coconut milk to my water. A dash of seasoned salt. Here's 1 bowl of rice. This is minute rice, by the way. 2 bowls of rice, and then I'm gonna add some thyme. Don't deliver it yet. Show me the video. Shut your mouth. Pardon me? You said shut my mouth.